In today's video, I'll show you how to make money just by doing nothing. Yes, you heard that right, doing nothing. This is a new strategy to make money online in 2022, just doing nothing. You may ask, hey, Discover Finance, are you mad? Why anyone paid us for doing nothing? Aki, this is how you can get money just using your day-to-day life internet. Let me explain. Here we have to do just simple 3 steps. At first we have to install an app on any device you have. You don't have to worry about that. I have Mac, I have Android, I have Windows. This method is going to happen in any device you have. In the second step you just have to set up this app, and in the third and last step is to cash your money. How simple is that? In this video I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up this incredible revenue stream. So pay attention to every second of it, because I'll reveal some hidden tips and tactics that you can use with this strategy to increase your earnings. This method, like most of the videos I upload, is completely free, and you won't need any credit cards or internet banking accounts to get started making money online with it. It also works globally, so no matter where you are watching right now, you'll be able to make money online with this method. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2022. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis, so make sure you finish watching the video, like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. In the first step, you have to come over to this website named honeygain.com. If you want to get $5 bonus, you can check the first link in the description. Now, once you come over to this website, remember that this is one of the most trusted websites in the world. That gives us money just doing nothing. You can see here, this is a passive income strategy, and here you can make money just simply sharing your internet connection. So honeygain is basically an app that you have to download on your device. So what exactly is this software doing behind the scenes? So according to their website, basically what they're doing is using your unused internet. A lot of times, like once you finish doing something online, your computer or mobile phones stays on the internet is being used and nothing is happening. Whereas, what honeygain does is when you're not using your computer or device, they use your internet to do market research and do some other things here that they've described, like brand protection, SEO, monitoring, etc. And as you can see here, I actually did get paid, so I felt confident in actually sharing this with you. But I'll be honest with you, some people may feel uncomfortable because they are kind of elusive as to what they're using your internet connection. For behind the scenes, I haven't noticed any weird things in terms of like my internet slowing down, but I would recommend that you use like a laptop or a desktop. You probably not want to use your smartphone because you probably have a limited internet. Whereas when you're using a desktop or a laptop, you have unlimited internet, so again, you just install it on a number of devices. You don't have to just install it on one device. I believe you can install it up to 3 devices. Just make sure those devices are connected to the internet, and then you get paid. And don't worry if you don't have any laptop or desktop. You definitely can make money within your smartphone. They manage everything from their side here, so you just have to log in to check and out. So now you can easily install it from the link which I have given in the description below to get instant $5. So I'm logged in right now, and what you can see is the little bees here that are showing you that my internet was being used in the background, and they have this thing called credits, which basically calculates how much internet they're using. You can see here my credit balance. You may ask, this is pretty low, but again, this money, what you are getting here just by doing nothing, what you do in your daily life. You use your internet, you watch YouTube videos, scrolling in social media, and many more things you do right. After installing this software, you have to do the same thing, but the interesting thing is that you are getting paid for this. Whatever you using your internet on your device, some of the internet are automatically losses. But with this software, it takes the extra internet and then used it for marketing. What I told you before, there are a lot of questions can become over in your mind. Once you've clicked and signed up for that link, then all you got to do is click here where it says help. And that will bring you to the FAQ section where you can get all of your questions answered, because they have a whole bunch of sections here that kind of cover all these questions, and I know what. So the first question that we have here is, what user data do you collect and is it safe to use? They claim that it's 100% safe. We don't gather data from our clients. This only includes your email address, your IP address, and your chosen payment method here. They apparently don't do anything else, and what they're saying here, your connection isn't accessible to outsiders. And they say it's fully encrypted. Everything is private and you don't have to worry about security threats. That's pretty much how they explain the safety of your data. And all that information here, what countries does this work? Alright, so at the beginning of this video, I said that this is international, and it is, they say that this app has no boundaries or borders. It works all around the world and judging by the payment options that they offer, which is PayPal, and they also have direct deposit that is definitely awesome. You can take your payment using Bitcoin, and I've read online from other people around the world that they are using this and making money. So this is great for my international brothers and sisters, whereas for me I only use one device as you can see here. But according to honeygain, you can use multiple devices, right? There's no limitations on the device. There's no sole restriction on the devices. There's one IP per 2 devices. Don't try to do anything shady because I've already seen people around the world trying to gain the system. You will get quite and you will have your account suspended. Follow the rules. But you can have one IP per 2 devices, so you can use, let's say, your desktop and your laptop. I probably should have did more of that because I probably would make more money if you do that, but there's no limits in terms of the number of devices that can be used here. As I said earlier, I've personally used this and my experiences have been positive, but decided to go and look at Trustpilot to see what people are saying, and there's a lot of reviews here. Most of the reviews and feedback very positive. But remember, this is not a make you rich method, but probably you can manage your internet bill and other simple things with this. But whatever, this is the extra money what we are getting here, because it don't require us to do anything, right? And now we are at the end of this video, and I have a nice little bonus for you. Once you have signed up, you can become a referrer of this company to other people, and they give you your own little link here that you can copy or you can share using Facebook, Twitter, or email, and share this link to other people. So as I said before, I have a link in my description below, and if you use my link you will get $5. But once you've actually signed up under me, then you can actually refer other people like I'm due, and make 10% of whatever they earn with this app. Now I have heard some rumble that they may be changing this referral program and they may be getting rid of it. But right now, at the time this review, you can actually make money from other people to actually sign up for those and download the software like I've done here. I've actually gotten paid for me. I haven't had any problems, but I could see how someone could feel a little hesitant about using it. If so, there's other ways for you to make passive income if you go to my channel here. I have multiple ways of making passive income that you can check out here, and that's it for this video. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, you are going to want to watch one of these 2 videos right here. Have a nice time.